The first one as Aravallis. Right? Very good. Aravallis, come on, siding Aravallis. They are the oldest mountains of India. They are the oldest fold mountains of India. What do you mean by fold mountains? Whenever the folding takes place, the land elevates up in the middle where it is called as the fold mountain, right? They are the oldest fold mountains of India. Aravallis are the fold mountains. Remember this one, okay? They are the oldest fold mountains of India. In the north, they elevate up to. In the north, they elevate only up to 400 meters. In the north, they elevate only up to 400 meters, but in the south, their elevation is more than 1000 meters. But in the south, their elevation is more than 1000 meters. That means what? Where you can find high elevation? It is in the southern side. Okay? The next point, they are aligned. The next point is they are aligned in the southwest to northeast direction. They are aligned in the southwest to northeast direction. They are aligned in the southwest to northeast direction. Means what? Southwest to northeast means what? Suppose if this is the north, south, east, west, they are aligned like this. From southwest to northeast. Where do you find less height? In the northeastern side. Where do you find more height? Right? Is it okay? They extend from, next point, this point is very, very important. They extend from Palanpur to Delhi. From where to where they extend from? Palanpur. Where is Palanpur? Palanpur is a small village near Ahmedabad. Right on there itself. Palanpur near Ahmedabad. That means what? Right from Ahmedabad, you can reach Delhi if at all you are traveling over these mountains. Okay, you can simply walk to Delhi. From where to where? From Ahmedabad to. Right? This is what the Aravallis. The very important and the tall peak, come on. The tallest peak in the Aravallis is Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar in Mount Abu of Rajasthan. What is the tallest peak? The tallest peak is Guru Shikhar. Now, a small question. Which is the tallest peak of Naga Hills? Mount Saramati. Very good. Okay. Remember this one. Mount Saramati is the tallest peak of Naga Hills. What is the tallest peak of Aravallis? Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar, where it is located? In the Mount Abu of Rajasthan. Okay. Now, in the central Aravallis, the next one. In the central Aravallis, there is a very sacred place. The central Aravallis, there is a sacred place called Ajmer. See, Ajmer is a very sacred place. Why it is very sacred place? Because of a dargah. What is a dargah? Dargah is a place where the pious personalities and the sacred personalities will be cremated. Whose body was cremated there in Ajmer? One Sufi saint has been buried there, cremated there. What is the name of the Sufi saint? You should be knowing such a greatest personality where he taught humanity. So great personality, never, the Sufi saints, the Islam Bhakti movement, the Sufi saints are the one where they have spread humanity. And they are very, very great personalities. Like, there is a very near, in this Western Ghats, there is another one Sufi saint. Can you name that Sufi saint there? is called as Baba Pahad. The name of the mountains are called as Baba Budan Hills here in the South India. But in northern India, especially in the Ajmer, whose body is cremated? Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, okay, called as Gariban Nawaz, okay, such a great personality. You should be knowing all these things, very, very important. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. And did you see this movie, even the Jodha Akbar? In this one, where Khwaja Gariban Nawaz, nothing but the Khwaja Bande Nawaz was being showed, such a great personality. Akbar was a staunch follower of this Sufi saint. Okay, this is what the Ajmer. Okay, very, very important and sacred place that is present here in the central Aravallis is Ajmer, right? From where you can find the birth of river Luni. What is the important? Come on, write down the important rivers that are taking birth from the Aravallis. What are the important rivers that are taking birth from the Aravallis? One is river Luni. Another one, is there any other river? River Luni takes its birth from Aravallis. That everyone knows. Is there any other river? Is there any other river which is taking birth from Aravallis? Very good. Sukri river, but that is not that much big river. Then, is there another river? Sukri. It is a very small stream, okay. You can't say that one has a big river, okay, but it is a stream. Sabarmati, Banas. Open that glass, come on. Open that glass, come on. Go to Aravallis. How to identify Aravallis? How to identify Aravallis? Red color. Go to the specific map of Rajasthan. Identify the rivers there. Identify Luni. Is that Luni coming there? Identify Sukri river. Is there? Then, is there any river which is flowing towards the east, not towards the west? Son. Don't say Son river. Could you able to discover the river called as Banas river? Is there? Very important tributary to the Chambal river, which also is at the source is at the Aravalli region. Okay, these are the very important rivers. Fine, this is about the Aravallis. Then, give the next heading as Malwa Plateau.